Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. You can also connect with me on my Instagram and on my Facebook. So today I'm doing a hair tutorial. I'm doing the two jumbo cornrows. Firstly, you want to start off by sectioning your hair into two equal parts. So here I'm going in with my argan oil and I'm gently using that to massage my hair, and I'm carefully finger detangling my hair. I did the other section of the hair off camera, so this is me doing a cornrow on this other section of the hair, and I'm trying to get all the hair into the cornrow. If you don't know how to do a cornrow, I'm going to do a video tutorial on how to do a cornrow. So I'm bringing that down. If you're having issues getting all the hair, you might want to use a brush to brush down everything to make sure that they're all nice and smooth. Then you go ahead and do a cornrow across. So when I got to almost the end of my hair, I didn't braid everything down. I left a little portion of my hair, and I'm using a rubber band to band the hair. I mean, this is like self-destruction, but I didn't have access to scrunchies where I was, so I went ahead to use rubber band to band mine. If you have scrunchies, I strongly advise you use scrunchies instead of rubber band, just like me. So after banding my hair, I sectioned the tip of the hair into two, and I went ahead to do a twist on one part of on each side of the hair that I sectioned into two. So that's exactly what I'm doing now. So here I'm doing my edges, and I'm using the Gorilla Snot Gel to do my edges. Sometimes I actually use a hair wax first before using the Gorilla Snot Gel on it, but today I'm using the Gorilla Snot Gel directly, and I'm using an O2 brush to apply that to the edges of my hair. I'm also using my fingers to hold down the edges and making sure that everything is nice and smooth. After that, I'm using a very thin layer of the gel to go on top of the edges I've already done. This ensures a stronger hold. I'm still using my fingers to smoothen everything, and here I'm unraveling the twist I did earlier at the tip of my hair, and I'm just finger detangling and making sure that everything is nice. So this was later in the day when I wore it out to my friend's place, and I actually liked the look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.